Alright, that video update number 2. So I got the new floor in. I do some grinding. I got the original kicker panel fixed. Got the frame fixed up here. All this fixed. Got the under panel fixed. Got a new battery tray put in. Do some surgical leveling here, but this is all fixed. Actually isn't going to go anywhere now. It's completely rotted in two on the bottom. Floor in. Got the floor all spotted in. Now this is not original, but it seemed to work better. So I got to delete this bolt. Got this patch panel fixed. Got some more holes fixed up there. Got that all fixed over there. Got more of the floor welded in. Started working more on this, which will be a lot of fun doing this. I ended up welding another support here because this was having issues. I got this all welded up. Tire support. Back panel is actually welded in with all the bumpers. Started on this one a little bit. I gotta cut a patch out and fill this. I still gotta grind all these down. That's basically done there. And yes, that is not straight because it's just been beaten. I'm gonna leave it. This is gonna be a depot restoration or field restoration, anyways. I got this all pretty well fixed. I gotta do just some light sanding. Got my new patch panel in over here. Then found out something else. I have the wrong back seat. So apparently, when I have these legs, this is an A2 seat. Did not know this. So this is where my A2 mounts, and it sits up here, which I suspect the A2s are this way. Well, apparently the A1s use this tab here, and they hang somehow. And I suspect they are like a World War II Jeep. So a World War II Jeep has no legs. They have this hang bracket here, and they hang on. They just hang, and they'll fold up and slide up on them hooks. A little crude, but we're pain butter. I'd slide it. Then I got my battery tray lid. Tracked one of them down. I just got a spot weld panel in here. And my seat fits. I had my seat fitted in there earlier. So this is all back to what it's supposed to be. With the rear cross member in. But I think I'm going to go ahead and put the heater back in it. After today, driving on Christmas parade with that thing with no heat, I think I'm going to go ahead and put the heater back in it. And finally got my other side repair panel, so that side will match this side. I have to do all the same surgery, cut and modify, because this will get deleted. Mine is supposed to have this, and I still got to finish putting my under frame repair between the middle and the rear. And do my sandblast, and I found that. So I cleaned it up. It says warning, secure hood, but it is some original markings, probably from '63. Which I thought was kind of neat. That actually got cleaned up a little more. I'm going to try to save it, but it is there. Probably painted back in '63. This is on the original paint. But that's where I'm at, and I didn't get as much done this week as I wanted to, but it's getting there. I did a lot more underneath, which I'm not going to film because it's dark underneath there. And that'll probably be next week. Will be a lot of under frame. I still got to fix all this cross member stuff. But someone to note, if someone's restoring a 151 or an A1, that there is 2 different back seats. I was not aware of that.